What can I tell you? Life is unfair. So this small creator has generated from TikTok Shop as a TikTok Shop affiliate 5.7 million views in just the last 10 days. But more specifically, she has generated in revenue 160,480 selling this product that I'm going to talk about here in just a second. In commission, she has brought home 804, which is just absolutely nuts. Let's have a look at the breakdown. We're going to unpack everything. We're going to look at the person. We're going to look at the ad performance. We're also going to look at the actual video itself that she did. What was she saying? How long was the video, etc. So we can learn from this experience. If you are enjoying these breakdowns, do me a huge favor, like, hype, whatever it is they do nowadays, so this can be seen by more people. That's much appreciated. Let's start with the product. So the product that she is promoting is this Dr. Lin official gifted collagen. I've heard good things about this. One of my recent breakdowns actually that I've released was someone who's selling these Dr. Maxilin products, and she was absolutely raking it in. Now, this is a collagen boost set pore spot skincare calcium collagen volume firming balm for enhanced skin health routine. What does collagen mean exactly? What is collagen? Before we come back and circle back to the rest of these results. So collagen is a natural protein that acts as the glue holding your body together. It is the most common protein in your body, making up about 1/3 of your total protein. Provides structure, strength, elasticity to various body parts. It's a primary building block for your skin, bones, muscles, tendons, and ligaments. So I've learned something new there. I didn't really know what collagen is for exactly, but that's essentially what this product claims to have and claims to do. Now, they're doing really well. Obviously, a ton of revenue, but we're focusing on the TikTok Shop affiliate, the creator here. So let's have a look and see what her profile looks like before we circle back and have a look at the ad spend, her numbers, as well as the actual video that she did, which is here. Her profile, so she has only 8,230 followers on TikTok, so not necessarily a huge content creator. Again, goes to show you don't have to be massive to start crushing it in the. Now, we've spoken about the revenue she's generated. That is 165,360 in the last 10 days. In fact, it's actually more than that. I say 10 days because the video that she has performed the highest on, that only came out on the 8th of January 2026, and at the time of publishing this video, that is 10 days, which is absolutely crazy. But we can see she's made more than that. She's obviously promoting more products than just the Dr. Maxilin collagen stuff. She's got whatever. This is a lot of makeup, skin health, nutrition related stuff, hair. So typical, the kind of stuff that you would expect from a sort of a woman health makeup focused type of account on TikTok Shop. Not a lot has happened over the last sort of couple of weeks for her. We can see 20th of December, she did have some revenue, $700 that day. On the 27th of December, 281. So she had some peaks and drops. $5,000 on the 5th of January, and then she absolutely blew up around the 14th of January. Well, after the of January when that video came out, the data probably just took a bit of time to update. Now, she's clearly doing very well. Now, what can we learn from this information? We can see here, because information and data is all good, but if you can't turn it into intelligence, then it's kind of worthless. It's just data. And we can see here she's using video revenue, not live revenue. So she's not doing live, she's mainly doing on demand. So what can we learn from this? These Dr. Min products are selling really well with on-demand video. They might be doing well with live sessions as well. We can see here they have got some live revenue that they are bringing in, but ultimately a huge chunk of the revenue that they bring in is video revenue. 4.6 million in the last 30 days. This is now the shop overall from the creators that they are working with. Data, information is all good, but if you can't turn it into intelligence that you can use to inform your strategy and actually take action and make those first few dollars, it's kind of pointless. And this is why I have the ecom brief, which I've created here, which not only gives you information on what's working currently, whether you're a seller, whether you're an affiliate, but it also lets you know how you can go about turning that into actionable steps that you can take as a e-commerce brand. The link is in the description and in the pinned comment if you want to check it out. If you're tired of all the noise and all the 1,000 different pieces of advice you're getting on YouTube, and if you actually want to just cut through the noise and understand what's working right now and how you can apply it in your strategy, I urge you to go ahead and check that out. Again, link is in the description and in the pinned comment. So circling back to our lady here. So we are now going to look at the ad spend and how that has gone. Now, the ad spend section is just a bit further down here. Now, we can see here these different rows is all the different products that she has promoted. And we can see this Dr. Maxilin collagen one is the top one. It's made her the most revenue, but she's obviously diversified her portfolio, if you will, and she's selling a bunch of different products, which is again, another lesson here is diversify what you are selling. Yes, you might have one product that is absolutely crushing it, by all means, ride it until the wheels fall off. But if it was to ever not be available for you to promote, you want to have positioned yourself in a way that you have got some other products that you are able to move from your profile as well. It's by far the most profitable. The other ones are nowhere near. We can see here $1,520 revenue on this Korean body care set in the last 7 days, $879 on this redness reform serum. Optically reduces redness in the last 7 days, and so forth. Acne, we've got a comment reply here, and that's another huge lesson as well that I would like to point out here. And I've done dozens of hours of research on TikTok and what's working on there currently, and what I've learned is comment reply is one of the best ways that you can get more eyes on your videos and your products that you are promoting. It's a brilliant signal to the TikTok algorithm, because you're telling TikTok that, hey, people are interacting with my video. Genuine live people, human beings are interacting with it, and I'm replying to them, which is the essence of a creator, really. You're not only just pushing content out there, you also interacting with the people that are commenting back. Yeah, a huge lesson there. Now, in terms of the ad spend and how that has gone, we are going to circle back, by the way, and have a look at the actual video here. I've got it prepared and ready. But in terms of the ad spend, so they have, and this is now not her ad spend, this is Dr. Maxilin themselves, the shop, seeing that the video is picking up and investing in the ad and throwing in some ad push there. So they have spent 910. Now, the crazy thing about this, from that ad spend, they've had a return on ad spend of 402. And if you don't know what that means, it means for every dollar that they spent to push this video, TikTok has given them back $4. So imagine if I came to you and said, hey, I can see that your video is doing really well. Let me spend $10,000 to push your video out there. I will get $40,000 back as revenue behind that, which is just absolutely nuts. We can see a couple of other data points here. We can see how many views came as a result of this ad. In fact, I just want to quickly have a look here. So in the last 30 days, okay, so a lot of the views that she had did come from what was spent for the ads, which is brilliant. It just goes to show it was a really good and well-timed investment by the company over the ad spend. But we can see all the views came from the ads. It's around 80% of them, which is still pretty good, leading to that 160,000 in revenue. So going back to the example that I was making, so now that I've spent that 10,000 or 31,000 in ad spend, I'm getting 4 times that back. Not only am I benefiting, getting sale from this transaction, getting reviews, getting some motion, you as the affiliate, as the content creator, getting those commissions from making all of those sales. Your account is growing. You're getting more followers because people now want to see what you're about. You're getting more exposure. That's the word I'm looking for. So now other brands can see that you've got motion. So other competitors that work with Dr. Maxilin are coming to you and saying, hey, we can see you're doing really well. People really love the videos that you're doing when it comes to these types of products. Let's give you $100 per video. And for every video that you create, flat fee, we are going to pay you that much, and you can keep the commission percentage that you get from it as well. So it's an absolutely crazy opportunity, not just for the seller, but for the Talk Shop affiliate as well. And that leads nicely into the actual video that she has created, because all of this is, it sounds nice. It's nice talk, but if your video that you're creating is rubbish and nobody's interested in it, then you're not gonna see any motion and you're not gonna make any money. And what we have to remember as well is when companies invest in you, unless you've got a history of seeing success in your videos, if you're someone new and you want these companies to invest and push your videos out using ads, there has to be that initial push from the algorithm. There has to be that initial motion that you get. That's when the shop is going to be like, okay, this is the one that's most likely going to get us some return on ad spend back. Let's invest in that one. So that means, and my point is, the video itself has to be good. Now, by saying a video has to be good, do I mean it has to be well edited? Do I mean you have to spend 10 hours buying production equipment, filming, editing, getting an editing team? You can literally take a phone and put it in your face and film yourself doing or using whatever it is that you're selling. It's not how polished the video is, it's just how objective it is. Like, does it speak to the people that it needs to speak to? Are those people convinced by what they're seeing to the extent that they are clicking that basket and actually buying the product? If it is, regardless of how bad the audio, whatever's happening, businesses will come to you and say, hey, here's 31 grand, let's push the video, good luck, let's all make money and be happy. So this is her talk, by the way. I've gone into it, so just a few initial observations here.
Before, after. Mama 3, do you see my skin texture and my under eyes? Before, after. Mama in her mid-30s, how much do you think this transformation cost me? And be honest, do you see a difference?
I feel like she's talking to me as on a Zoom call, on a FaceTime call, on a video she sent to me on WhatsApp. It's nothing formal about it. She's just having a conversation. She's using terminology that would be the kind of terminology or wording that you'd use with someone that you're comfortable with, like a friend, family member, cousin, like this whole mama, can you see this? Mama, that's talk that you use with people that you're like comfortable with, like hang around with. So straight away, the viewer is feeling like they know you. They feel like they are part of your circle, part of your group. And that in itself has taken her over that initial 3 seconds, that crucial 3 seconds that TikTok needs to push your video forward if enough people are still watching at that point. Let's see what Killer Data thinks of that hook. So I've got I'm just going to continue here. Oh, what's also worth noting regarding this hook as well, and again, another point that we can take away, she's not only talking in the video, she's not using just... Notice she's got some titles on the top of the screen. So not only am I seeing her, listening to her, but I'm also reading what's happening. Was the Korean facelift worth it, or is it a waste?
Mama 3, do you see
And she did something interesting here as well. I'm just going to go back. That is pet interruption. I've probably done a horrible version of it, but it's interrupting your pet. And so you're on TikTok, you're scrolling 10 videos you don't want to, watch, horrible videos. You probably come across one of my videos and you thought, oh, this guy again. And you've just scrolled past, you see this video, and straight away she's catching you by what she's doing, the facial expressions, what she's saying. So you've got the verbal hook, you've got the actions, you've got the look on her face, you've got the title.
Mama 3, do you...
You've also got the photos that she has put on here. So your brain straight away is like, oh, I need to make sense of this, look at this. And she's not keeping them for too long on there, meaning you're going to have to scroll back and see what she is putting on the screen in order to comprehend and respond to her. In the meantime, you're trying to keep up with what on earth she's on about.
See my skin texture and my under eyes? Before, after. Mama in her mid-30s, how much do you think this transformation cost me? And be honest, do you see a difference? That was this.
Straight away. So she's talking about a transformation. Now, traditionally, a lot of creators would kind of go through it and, do the actual application, maybe do like a first week using this Dr. Maxilin, blah, 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 blah. Stay with me and let's see what the transformation looks like. That also works. But what I find interesting here, which has worked, is she's showing the transformation at the beginning of the video, which clearly is absolutely crushed it here. And she's asking me, she's not revealing this. She's not saying I've used this product to get this transformation, but she's saying, how much do you think this cost me? Now, a lot of the people that watch these kind of videos will be thinking, oh my God, I spent, $100 or whatever, $250, $1,000, $20,000 to get just that kind of skin transformation. And now she's got to absolutely come back and crush them and say, well, actually, I spent $60 to get this transformation. And I know that because this cost $69 as a regular retail price, or around there on average.
Close to dropping $1,500 on laser that burns the first layer of your skin off. Honestly,
so straight away there, she's killing that. She's saying I got this close to spending $1,500 on laser, which burns the first layer of your skin off. Sounds painful, sounds expensive. And a lot of you that are watching that video are thinking, oh gosh, that is exactly what I spent my money on. That is what I did. And she avoided that. And that was painful or whatever it is. What has she done? How can I get what she's talking about? What is she talking about?
Terrified. And frankly, I'm a cheap bitch because I got school lunches and mom bills. Honestly, I was going to settle for filler under my hollow under eyes, but every mom that I've talked to regrets it because it migrates and makes you look even worse.
So what she's doing there is she's crushing the competition, right? And what I mean exactly by that is she is saying, look, I was going to do this, but that hurts. It's expensive. I was going to do that. And I was like, no, for whatever reason, I'm avoiding that. I'm not doing it. So all these people that have used these other alternatives are now thinking, oh my God, I've done that. What is better and cheaper than that? She's also identifying with the target market that she's talking to. So she's talking to mothers. I'm assuming she's a mother herself because she's talking about school lunches. She's also talking about being cheap. So straight away there, she's like, I didn't spend a lot of money on what I'm using here. So straight away, you're like, okay, this is cheap. It works. It doesn't take a long time. It hurts. What are we talking about? And then she comes in with the product.
Real women with real wrinkles, not influencers, talk about this Korean anti-aging set. Sir said this set is as close to toxin filler you can get without need.
Now, great presentation, straight into the... And again, going back to our point around video quality, she's not gone over the top here. She's not spent hours and hours doing this. It's literally just her talking to a phone. Brilliant. But what I want to point out as well is we are now at... What is it? Let me just remove this little card at the bottom here.
Needles. Cami, a former smoker, said that the wrinkles, needles, Cami, herself in her eyes and her mouth.
So we're around 30 9 seconds into the video. Now, if you've managed to keep that number of people interested, or a certain number of people interested in your video past the first 3 seconds, past the first 5 seconds, past the first 10 seconds, straight away you're winning, because the TikTok algorithm is like, okay, people need to see this video because other people are interested, they're interacting, they're watching, they're liking, they're doing all these lovely things. So not only has she got people interested and curious as to what she's talking about, she is also presenting the product that she's presenting in the video. Now I'm just going to go back a little bit.
Needing needles. Cami, a former smoker, said that the wrinkles between her eyes and
now she's also coming back and saying, look, you don't have to believe me if you want. This is what someone else that's used this same is saying. Absolutely love this. I'm 35, a former smoker, blah, 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 blah. So straight away you're thinking, oh, so it's not just one person that's trying to convince me to get this. There's a ton of other people who I could potentially identify with that have seen results from this.
her disappeared within 2 weeks. Miss Regina says that she has less wrinkles,
Boom, she punches you with another review.
smoother skin, and loves the reflection when she looks in the mirror. B's husband, after just one use, had to do one of those
She's absolutely killing you with these reviews, and really love her energy as well. You know, she's really bubbly. And again, I know not all of us can be, you know, that energetic or that confident or anything like that, but from the way she's doing it and what's clearly working for her, she keeps you interested. I mean, I use that product. Obviously, I'm creating this video, but if I was just scrolling, I would be curious to see what was going on.
takes because she was looking glowing and beautiful. Now, correct me if I'm right, but after using this for a month, I look 10 years younger. I'm going to quickly explain how to use these. When you get them in, you can...
So she's got you hooked already. She's already told you, you know, what it is, the benefits, what other people are saying about it, why it's better than the competition, and what other people are using. We've already talked about that. Now she gets into her presentation. Now I'm just going to skip to what's the end. I'm curious just to see how she closes.
Or go to bed with them and wake up and literally look like a filter. Do those steps in that order, and everybody is going to ask you where you got that.
Now, again, just worth mentioning, I don't want to keep this video too long, so I'm not like going through every single detail of this video. Again, if you want to get detailed breakdowns of what's working in these video ads, I would strongly urge you to check out the ecom brief, which is linked in the description and in the pinned comment. That's where I really dive into each little detail and what we can take away from it, if that is you.
People are pissed because it kept selling out, so they were having to wait a month to order it to 70.
Okay, so she's coming back here saying it keeps selling out and people are having to wait. So she's coming in with that urgency there that if you don't get it today, you're probably going to end up having to wait, because people have historically had to wait because stock is running out. So straight away in your head, you're thinking, okay, I'm going to need to like get this pretty soon, if you are that person that needs what she's offering here.
5% off for the next 24 hours only.
She's giving you a sale.
For Mama, this is just something I wish I wouldn't have waited on, so I
Make sure to go ahead and grab it while it's still in stock. She's absolutely crushed it. Just going to pause it so we can go back. So really good video ad here. Again, she has made 24,804 in commission. Her take-home commission that she's putting in her purse in the last 10 days from this one product, it is $165,000 in revenue that she has generated, and that's potentially a good relationship she has now built with that brand, which she can potentially extend, because the brand is going to come back and say, hey, we really like your videos, we have got history, we know your videos work, you've generated us $160,000, let's do a deal, let's do a retainer, we'll pay you $250 per video, whatever it is. She has got that history. And again, this expands it to potential relationships with other brands as well. So crazy opportunity to make money from TikTok if you are looking to cut through the noise and get boots on the ground here in 2026. The video you can see on the screen right now shows you how to go about searching for products that are profitable, because there are steps that you would have had to take to find this product in the first place. And the link you can see on the screen also takes you to the ecom brief if you want to go ahead, check it out, see what it's about, and see if it's something that you want to go ahead with. I'll see you in the next one.